friends, in this video we are going to see how to set up the units. So in AutoCAD, to set the units we need to give the command as UN, enter. So windows and drawing units windows will be opened here. Otherwise another option is directly you can go for home button, AutoCAD symbol, and here we are going to have drawing utilities, and under this we are going to have units. So instead of going for these options, directly we can give the shortcut key as UN. And here there are two categories, length and angle. Okay, so under length we are having 5 types. So in this, architecture engineering comes under imperial. Imperial is nothing but if you are taking units in feet and inches, then that comes under imperial. So in architecture engineering we are going to consider units in feet and inches. And if you want to do your figure in centimeters, meters, etc., then you can go for either decimal or fractional. Okay, so whatever type of unit you need, simply you can select that one. And if I'm going to select architecture or engineering, make sure that you are keeping insertion scale in either feet or inches. Okay, so right now I'm going to keep in inches only. So okay, so on screen if I'm going to give some value like 50 feet 0.5 inches here, so again I'm going to take the line command. So if you see this value on screen, it will be showing like 50 feet 1/2 inches. So feet, inches and fractional combination is known as architectural type of unit. Okay, so if we are defining this value in engineering, it will be shown as 50 feet 0.5 inches. That is the difference between these two types. So here it is shown as 50 feet 0.5 inches. Okay, so feet, inches and the decimal combination is known as engineering. So if you want to draw any figure in centimeters, then you can either go for decimal or fractional. So I am going for decimal here, and make sure that you are changing the insertion scale also. Just go for centimeters and okay. So here line, let it be first point, and if I'm going to define any value, it is showing in the decimal format. Okay, so if I'm going to give 50.5, so it will be shown like this. So line, let it be first point, and from here to here it is shown as 50.5. In case if you are going to keep fractional format, then it will be shown as 51/2. So okay, line, let it be first point and let it be second point. So it has shown as 51/2. So that is a major difference between these all the type of units. So here next type of category is angular units. Okay, under angle also we are going to have 5 types of units: decimal, degrees, degrees, minutes, seconds, gradients, radians and surveyor units. So whatever type you require for your drawing, you can select that one. So in case if you want to show normal degrees like 60 degrees, 120, 135, etc., then simply you can go for decimal degrees. And whatever pressure unit, so default it is in 0, right? Once we'll check this unit type on screen also. So if I'm going to take line, and on screen we can see something like 53 degrees, right? Since pressure is single digit, we are able to see single degree angle, single digit angle. So here I'm going to change pressure here. Let it be double digit. Yeah. So now we can see 45.22, right? In this way we can change the pressure as per the requirement. And if you want to show units in degrees, minutes, seconds, then you can go for this one also. Okay. For example, again line, on screen we can see 49 degrees 52 minutes, right? If you want to see seconds also, we need to go for third pressure here. Like that, whatever pressure you need, you can see, and like we can set the units over here. Okay, so it is now showing 44 degrees 33 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, so like this, whatever type of unit you need, you can set it here. For example, if you want to go for surveyor units, surveyor units is mostly used for plotting the any land points. Okay, so like if you want to define any angles with respect to directions, then you can go for surveyor units, right? Okay, so I'm coming back to decimal degrees, and default 0 degrees is considered towards east direction. If you want to go for any other direction, just you can click on direction and you can change the direction of 0 base angle. If I'm going to keep south, okay, okay. So let it be first point here, and I'm going to define at the rate of distance is something like 20 and angle 0. So this I have used polar format here. So obviously the line has been drawn towards south direction. Okay. So similar way, all the angles will be drawn in, will be taken in anti-clockwise, and if you want to go for clockwise, so simply you can activate clockwise direction here. Okay. So these are the settings we have to do before doing any type of drawing like 2D or 3D. Hope you understood this video, and if any doubts are there, please do comment, and if you like my video, click on like button and please do subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.